I'm really excited for 2026, but the actual demand in 2026 in terms of volume from market leaders like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, that's going to set the mood in the industry. So in 2025, we saw net flows into these Bitcoin ETFs reach 57 billion, and the total net assets across the ETFs, I think, reached like 115 billion dollars. So the real question is, can the pace of institutional and corporate and government level adoption, which are critical price drivers in 2026, can these be replicated in 2026? Since October, we've seen these inflows taper off and in some cases turn into sellers markets. And this was followed by a 30% correction in Bitcoin and 50% in Ethereum. And we've seen the same thing happen with these digital asset treasuries, which popped up all throughout 2025, where publicly listed companies went out and bought a whole bunch of Bitcoin and issued stock or raised cash in order to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. And we've seen their kind of MNAV, or their net asset value of their stock, fall below the value of their crypto holdings. And it's possible that in 2026, they could also become net sellers. So I think what's going to set the tone for the start of Q1 and Q2 going into this next year is what sort of demand do we see in the spot markets and also in the ETF markets for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana.